Although most of the state is in the low risk or yellow phase, the rising case numbers and transmission rates show that we are not out of danger yet. While much of the state has reopened, the state liquor store at 205 West and 400 South in Salt Lake City is closed.
There's lights on, but nobody's in there. It don't look like it's going to open.
Probably for a while, because the Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control reported one of the employees here tested positive for COVID-19. Now the store has to be thoroughly disinfected, as does the other store that employee worked at, the one at 1255 West North Temple, where would-be customers also left empty-handed today. The DABC previously closed stores in Moab and Murray for 1 week because of the same reason. After just 2 weeks in the moderate or orange phase, all of the state, except for Salt Lake City and the small southeastern Utah towns of Bluff and Mexican Hat, have moved into the yellow phase despite some objections. On May 14th, District 24 Representative Jen Daly Provost tweeted, quote, "Speaking with my public health voice, I feel that this is a mistake. A spike and resurgence will ultimately cause more economic harm than a more measured rollout of the grand economic reopening. To say I'm frightened is an understatement. I hope I'm wrong." In the past month, Utah's cases have more than doubled from 4,974 to 9,999, and our deaths have more than doubled from 53 to 113. The trend appears to continue upward, with the Department of Health reporting an average of 143 cases per day and a positivity rate of 5.2% for the week ending May 25th. Then an average of 197 per day and 7.1% last week. The state government has stopped their daily news conferences on the coronavirus, now opting to hold one once a week.